Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news and rumors swirling around the highly anticipated Surface Pro 10. Microsoft Surface Pro series has always been a game changer, and it looks like the next iteration is no exception. Stick around as we dive into the latest updates on its release date, expected price, specs, and some intriguing features. Now let's talk about a burning question on everyone's mind: when the Surface Pro 10 hitting the shelves? Rumor has it that the Surface Pro event has set for March 21, and if the Surface Pro 10 steals the spotlight, we might get our hands on it shortly after. Some reports suggest that Microsoft will roll out the business models first, followed by the consumer versions a few months later. Our friends over at Liveware estimate a potential release windows in June 2024. Fingers crossed. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the price tag. The Surface Pro 9 started at $1,300, but since then it's dropped to cool $850. Now for the Pro 10, early whispers indicate it could kick off at $1,300 or $1,350, with those high models potentially during that figure. Quite an investment, but let's be real, these devices are worth every penny. Now the burning question: can you pre-order the Surface Pro 10 yet? Well, Microsoft hasn't spilled the beans just yet, but keep your eyes glued to this channel for latest updates on pre-order details once they're unveiled. Right, the juicy part, the specs and features. When it comes to the Surface Pro series, one size doesn't fit all. The bad boys come in various configurations, from memory to storage and even processors. And speaking of processors, we are expecting some powerhouse chips, including an ARM option. These processors are not only more power efficient, but also pack a punch with PUBG. Sorry gamers, they might not be software compatible as Intel options. But wait, there's more. According to reports from The Verge, the consumer edition of Surface Pro 10 is the one stealing the spotlight. Picture this: an OLED display with high dynamic range for mind-blowing video playback, plus brace yourselves for an inbuilt NFC reader, opening up a world of possibilities for mobile payments and other cool functions. And let's not forget about the ultra-wide camera, perfect for capturing every detail on your video calls. So there you have it folks, the latest scoop with Surface Pro 10. Are you excited as we're? Drop your thoughts in the comment below, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell to stay in the loop with all things tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay techy.